Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and convert a form to a fillable form in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded or installed, what you want to do is go to the official Adobe website right here, adobe.com, and access Adobe Acrobat. From here we can get started downloading the program. Once you download the program and install it, you can go ahead and open it up, and after opening it up it's going to look like this. This is going to be the main page. From where we can go and take a look at the recommended tools section where we can see all the tools that are available in our disposal for using. So let's go and take a look at how to turn a form into a fillable one. So basically here we have the official Adobe website article on how to make a PDF fillable, and it's going to show us step by step on what we need to do. So basically we are going to be adding new form fields, and to add new form fields you're going to be using the edit a PDF option. So to use edit a PDF you need a premium plan. You cannot do this with the free version of the application. You need to go ahead and upgrade to premium to be able to edit your PDFs, and as you can see this is going to enable us to insert new text into your PDF and to add a fillable form. So once you've done that and upgraded to premium, you can find this article right here and follow it step by step for a specific use case to go ahead and see what you need to add to your PDFs and how to go ahead and make them fillable using new form fields with the edit PDF option. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.